Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat notification history. So for this you will have to move in the Snapchat application on this Android device. So from here you will just move in the profile icon in the top left. You will see. So from here you will just go in the top left corner of settings, gear icon. So from here you will just find the notifications. So just tap to notifications and enable notifications. So make sure allow the notifications, turn it on. Make sure you will see as it is. You will just follow the steps and set the settings of like this. So now you will get, once turn it on notifications, so you will be stored the notification history. So from here you will just have to find when someone add you or text you, you will get notification. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.